Hey everybody, it's KP here again, in my own vehicle. There's Eagle Kachina over here, and we're just leaving Volcanoes National Park. I picked up my car earlier today after quite an adventure of being delayed by the rains on the east side of the island. There were quite a few rocks and trees knocked into the road until we couldn't get through on the bus, which is how I had to get over to Hilo to pick up the car. And we've just been, the energies today have been really, I would say, challenging. Not sure exactly what that means, but